The third quarter was one of the challenging quarters for the entire banking industry. And in these challenging times, Andhra Bank has done fairly well. We have had a decent growth in business. We had a decent growth in operating profit. I think we have been able to bring down the NPAs over the 30th September level. The total business of the bank has crossed 1,75,000 crores as on 31st December, which is a growth of 20.4% over December 2010. The total income has grown by 37.5%. Operating profit has grown by 26.6%. Net interest has grown by 20.6%. Deposits at the end of December 2011 stood at 98,680 crores, which is a growth of 20.2% on a year-on-year basis. Advances have grown by 20.7% from 65,587 crores to 79,169 crores. Our CASA deposit has increased from 23,428 crores to 26,261 crores. CASA as a percentage of the total deposit stood at 26.6%. As I mentioned, the total income has grown by 36.1% to rupees 3,158 crores. Total income during the 9 months period ended December 2011 has increased to 8,970 crores, which is a growth of 37.5%. Net interest income has improved to 984 crores, recording a growth of 17.1% over Q3 of 2010-11. During the 9 months period ended December 2011, net interest income has grown by 20.6%. Operating profit has grown on a year-on-year basis by 22.3%. Operating profit for the 9 months period ended December 11 has grown by 26.6% to rupees 1,702 crores. Net profit stood at rupees 303 crores for the quarter ended December. This is a slight decline over the last year. This is mainly because of the provisions that we had to make on the restructured accounts. Gross NPAs has come down to 2.38% from a sequential basis, while net NPA has come down to 1.21%. Net interest margin stood at 3.81%, and on a sequential basis we have been able to maintain the net interest margin. Return on assets stood at 1.07% for the quarter ended December 2011 and at 1.21% for the 9 months ended December 11. Cost to income ratio stood at 37.04% as against 39.67% last year. Gross NPAs has come down